In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Hard Track Launcher in Android. So this is actually a quite simple procedure. The first thing you want to do on your device is you want to go into settings, so I have them over here. And then inside the settings, you want to look for somewhere where you can see all your different apps on your phone. So usually it's going to be something like apps, like I have over here, or it should say like installed apps or something like that. So just tap on that. And then once you do that, you'll see a list of your apps. Now in here, what you're going to want to do is you want to look for the Hard Track Launcher. If you can't find it while scrolling, simply tap on Search Apps up top and type in Hard and then Track Launcher and try to find it. Now for me, it's not on here anymore because I just removed it to check whether that's going to work. Now once you find it, you want to simply tap on it. And then once you tap on the Hard Track Launcher, at the very bottom or somewhere on your screen, it should say uninstall. Now, once you tap on the uninstall button, just like this, it's gonna say, basically it wants you to confirm, and you simply want to press OK, and it will say that uninstalling will remove all app data. If you're fine with that and you want to remove it, simply press OK, and you're done. Your heart rate tracker or Hard Track Launcher has been uninstalled from your device. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.